Hi, I'm Max Ruthenberg-Marshall, founder of Porchlight. Let's face it, although the holidays bring a lot of joy, they can also bring a lot of stress. So if you're dealing with a divorce at the same time, that can feel overwhelming. So we've put together a list of 5 hacks to help you have a happier holiday season. We hope that implementing these brings you more joy over the holidays and helps reduce your stress. Hack number 1, take action, then take a break. There's a lot of uncertainty involved in divorce, and particularly if this is a recent decision that you've made, you might feel like you're going nowhere and not making any progress on your life. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Judges and attorneys take breaks over the holidays too, so cases just don't move as fast at this time of the year. But that doesn't mean that they completely stop. So talk to your attorney and see what realistic, concrete steps you can take now to move your divorce forward. And then after you've taken those steps, let yourself take a break and enjoy the holidays. So that might be consulting with an attorney if you haven't done that yet, or filing your case, or scheduling mediation, something that's an easily identifiable step that will show you you've made progress and then let you focus on the holidays, and you can come back to focusing on your divorce in January. Hack number 2, make resolutions early. So most people wait until January to make resolutions. That's the tradition. But most resolutions have to do with either self-care or self-improvement. And both of those things can help you while you're going through the divorce process. So if you would typically make self-care resolutions like do more yoga or make sure to take more walks outside, anything that would help you feel better, reduce your stress levels, you can make that resolution now and start it before January while the holiday season is going on. It'll help you feel better now instead of waiting until January. For self-improvement resolutions, there might be some changes that you need to make in your life as part of the divorce process. For example, you could need to get a better handle on the family finances, or you could need to find a different job because the one you have now just isn't going to work well for your post-divorce life. You can start taking actions on those steps now so that you're in a better position after the end of the holidays rather than waiting till January and starting the process then. Hack number 3, create new traditions. When you get divorced, a lot of your family traditions may change. You might not be spending as much time with your kids during the holidays if you have children, or you might be used to spending the holidays with your soon-to-be ex's family, and that's not something that you feel comfortable doing anymore. And after your divorce is finalized, you probably wouldn't be doing it anyway. So now is a great time to make new traditions and create new celebrations for yourself. I'd recommend that these traditions not be something that's set in stone on the holiday day itself, but something that happens during the holiday season. So if you pick a holiday themed activity that you and your family can get in together, and it could even be something that you share between both your and your co-parents' households if you have children, to help the children feel that family connection even though they're living in 2 different households. If you pick holiday celebrations that don't require your whole family to be together on the exact day of the holiday, you'll still be creating the holiday season and bringing lots of joy to yourself and your family, but you'll have more flexibility of when to do that, which will be important now that your holiday traditions are changing. Hack number 4 is do not overcommit. Honestly, this is something that I tend to be guilty of in my normal life, and I'm sure that some of you are too, but it can be especially true during the holidays. There are a lot more projects to take on involving the holidays, and there are a lot more activities to go to as well. So make sure that you're recognizing what your limits are and saying no when you need to. And that's for both projects, so such as decorating your home or sending out holiday cards. Those things don't absolutely have to happen. And even if they're really important to you, you could decide to skip them for 1 year or delay them until a few months into the new year. Hey, maybe send out I got divorced cards instead of happy holiday cards. There are a lot of options there. And the same thing goes for holiday festivities. You might be used to going to every single party that there is, but you might not have the same energy levels or desire to socialize while you're going through the divorce process. So be kind to yourself, and if you just need to stay in one night, let yourself do that. Even if you've already committed to something, you can change your mind and say no. So sometimes we find ourselves overcommitted and feel that we can't back out of something, but people will understand that you're going through something challenging and you have limited bandwidth, so you can change your mind. Hack number 5 is form a support team. I think you should do this no matter what time of year you're going through a divorce, but it can be particularly important during the holidays. In the holidays, there are a lot of friends and family get-togethers, and whether or not everyone knows about your divorce or no one knows about your divorce yet, it's nice to have someone on Team You. So clue in a few key people as to what is going on and let them know what you need from them to help support you. So it could be that you need them to help you with some holiday logistics, something that needs to be planned or organized or put together and you just don't have as much time to do it. Or it could be just emotional support. Maybe they're the person that when your ex or soon-to-be ex says something annoying at a holiday gathering, you get to shoot them a side glance and know that they're sympathizing with you, even if you don't have to say any words out loud to each other about it. If you don't know what you need from your support team, that's okay too. Sometimes just knowing someone else knows what you're going through can be a big help. I hope you found these 5 hacks helpful and that they help you have a more enjoyable and peaceful holiday season so that you can get off to an awesome start in your new year for the next phase of your life. If you need any help with your divorce, Porchlight is here to help.